Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Charlie, and today I'm creating this video to give y'all some exciting news about my YouTube channel. I have now surpassed 400,000 subscribers. Like, wow. I mean, I just can't believe it. I'm amazed, I'm shocked, but I'm also very grateful that I've even made it this far. You know what I'm saying? But with that being said, I would like to send a special thank you out to all of my subscribers and followers. I also would like to thank everybody who showed their support through liking, disliking, the comments, the heartfelt messages, the emails, the donations. Wait, I'm still thinking. Wait, hold on. I'm sitting up here talking like I won an award or something. Thank you all so very much. I really appreciate it. Now for some quick news. Let's see. Now playlists. I talked about this in past videos. I finally finished the playlist. So if you go on my YouTube channel, I've updated all the playlists. I have several different categories, which I'm not about to name here because I don't want to waste y'all time too much. And there's several different categories and everything, so it'll be more easier for you to find my videos. And that's completed. Also, I want to mention about the recipe links. I talked about this already, I think, in previous videos. When you look in the description box, the link to the recipe is right there, and you click on that link, it's going to take you to the website where the recipe is, and from there you can print it out or email or whatever. And also, the links to the recipe is at the top, but like in the top right hand corner of the video, like right at the top, you just click up there and it'll have the recipe, plus they'll have other options, like other videos for you to choose from, which I picked myself, of course. But yeah, well, I think that's about it. That's all I wanted to share with you all. And I guess I'm on the road to 500,000. That's right. Yes. Let me stop playing around. But anyways, thank you all so very much. And until next time, peace.